empty field at close of day. A general stands in a thoughtful way, armor worn from years of fight, now softened in the fading light. He breathes a calm and steady sigh, watching dreams he held drift by. No anger held, no need to blame, just wisdom rising through the flame. In surrender there is grace, in defeat a sacred place, where the heart learns how to see what was never meant to be. Every ending paints a door, opening to something more. He laid his weapons on the ground, letting go without a sound. Lessons carried in his chest guide him toward a truer quest. Strength is not in holding tight, but knowing when to stop the fight. Walking forward clear and free, ready for what life will be. In surrender there is grace, in defeat a sacred place, where the heart learns how to see what was never meant to be. Every ending paints a door, opening to something more. Sometimes the bravest choice is choosing peace.